Okay, this bush Kludge hiking shelter project. So I'm camping nearby the spot that I picked for the first shelter. It's a very hard access for hikers and even more for dirt bike. So that's how I found the place. But anyway, this is a state forest, very wild, beautiful wildlife around, and I'm very glad to be here. So tomorrow morning I'm going to start the project, build a shelter, and tonight I'm gonna cook something for me. So I was looking for some wood fire around, and I found this. I'm gonna make a nice stove here. I'm gonna use a pan anyway. So this is my tools. So let's cook some corn. I got this corn here. We're gonna place in the corner here and here. Here. Yeah, that's the way. Well, after a hard day in the bush, I deserve some relaxing time with the best wine in Australia. Penfold, #1. It can't go wrong. Doesn't matter the glass. What matters is what is inside. Cheers. Alright guys, dinner time. What I'm gonna do here is a butterfly steak. Bauru in Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese, it's bauru. I'm gonna cut this beautiful picanha. I'm gonna clean, take this skin off, and cut butterfly style steak. So let's start. You have to take this off, otherwise the steak gets chewy. So there's no use for this. There we go. A bit more here. A bit here. And this, I'm checking the fire to make the wildlife crazy. First cut, don't go all the way to the bottom, leave it like that. And the second one, you go to the end, okay? this apart. Now make the butterfly. That's it. This is it. Take a bit of fat excess off. Here we are, guys. Got a nice rump cap steak, my boru. It's a little bit smoky here, but this is bush and I love it. Alright, let's get the pan on. Voila. A little bit of salad. And bon appetit. Well, let's see how it tastes. Wow, it smells so good. Supimpa. Let me grab the bread. Wow. So good. Rump cap is part of the rump actually. It's just the cap. Oh, so much juice here. I'm sorry guys, I know this is not right, but I can't resist. Oh my god, what a juice. This is unbelievable. Wow. A little bit of bread. Oh my god, the party goes to my throat. It's unbelievable. Look at this. Cheese. Everything. Wow. Everything just adds into the taste. It's like I'm under rain right now. It's windy. I'm alone in the middle of nowhere. But this makes so special, and it's always tastes amazingly. Wow. You know, there is an old say, Italian, which says, the key for happiness is barefoot, full belly, and accept the world as it comes. So I follow this. I'm a very humble guy. My values are true values. I really enjoy the nature. I could be more clean, but come on, I'm in the middle of nowhere, I'm in the bush, I'm alone, and it's raining, windy, and smoky. Who cares? burn a little bit, but not too bad. It's okay. It's too good. Very good. Let's have the corn.